Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're going to do an experiment with water pressure. Now, you're going to need a few items to make this experiment work. First thing you're going to need, a regular plastic sandwich bag, a few sharpened pencils, and last but not least, you'll need a few napkins on hand. Now, how this experiment is going to work, you're going to fill your plastic bag with water, just like this. Now, the next thing you're going to need to do is sharpen your pencils. It's very important that all of your pencils are sharpened so they are very pointy at the tip. Now comes the tricky part. Take your bag of water and take your very sharp pencil and see what happens when you push the pencil against the plastic bag. What do you think is going to happen? Let's find out. Now, lightly turning your pencil, push it through the first part of the bag. Keep going until it pokes through the second part of the bag. And there you have it. Is that what you thought was going to happen? This is a perfect example of water pressure. Why didn't the water leak out of the bag? Well, the pressure from the water inside the bag was so strong that once the sharpened pencil punctured the plastic, it made a seal around the pencil, allowing the water to stay trapped inside even though the pencil is pierced through the entire bag. You think it'll work with just one? Well, let's see what happens when we add two pencils. Let's try it at a different angle. And look at that. Now you can keep adding pencils and the same effect will keep happening. The water inside the bag has built up enough pressure around the pencil that it forms a seal that you can add as many pencils as you have sharpened. The water pressure will still stay tight and form that seal around the bag where it won't go anywhere. Try this experiment at home, in science class, or with your friends, and wow everyone with the wonders of water pressure. Thanks for watching and have fun.